you gotta finish yours, eat some more rice, and then you
It
can...
does take a while.
Yeah. When they cut a coal or something, and gotta have to feed them the fever reducer, but I'm telling them he needs to eat his food. He's having a hard time eating it. Good job. My husband prepared the soup.
See. I hope I should let this still go now. You won't get sick. Did you know it, Mom? I said that.
That's why you need to take a break and you need to sleep midnight. Don't you want to get better so you can play with other children outside?
I don't want to.
But midnight, if you keep playing games, how are you going to make new friends?
After coffee.
What?
After coffee.
What's coffee?
After coffee.
What's that?
After coffee.
Coffee or coughing?
Cough like I coughing like a baby because I sick.
Okay, but you said coffee, like drinking coffee. You should say coughing.
Coffee.
Coughing.
Coffee.
Yeah, coughing.
Coffee.
Yeah. There's an ing at the end. Ing. Coughing.
Coffee.
Yeah, coughing.
A cough. And the cough.
Cough and then coughing. So midnight, how many games did you play today?
50.
You played 50 times? No. Well, how many times did you play the game? No, midnight, you can't. There's no way you can play that much in one day. That means you play too much. This is really good. Thank you, Mom. This is really good.
Oh, it's slimy.
Stuck there? Crop sort of was cute and trying to I cried so much last night. I was talking about depression of my mom, and so it really I was bawling my eyes out. Well, because I also miss Devin. I miss him so much. I miss Andy so much, and so I was, yeah. Good job, Midnight! You're doing really well! Keep pooping! 우프가 다리가 길어가지고 좋아. 안 길었으면 그런데 못 앉아. 민나이트가 숏다리라서 못해. Right? That's what you're doing. there's a spider web on the chair. No, you can sit there, but there's a spider. Oh, Midnight, there's a spider in there. I knew there was a spider for every chair. Midnight, please check my ears, please. Dr. Midnight, please check my ears. My ears itch so bad. I need my ears checked. Oh no, not the shot yet. I don't need a shot. Please check my ears. Maybe you can hear my heartbeat too. No, there's a zinger. Check my heartbeat. No, Midnight, Dr. Midnight, check my heart. Yeah, check my heartbeat. Will you? Well, yeah. Check my heartbeat.
Okay. Maybe
Dudum, dudum.
you favorite.
I don't hear a sound. Can you do it again? Midnight, Captain Midnight, hear my heartbeat again. I didn't hear it. Do I have a heart? Oh wow. Okay. Can I get a medication, please? I need a medication, Dr. Midnight. Yeah, I need medicine, please.
No, what's this?
I need a medication, Dr. Midnight. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, Dr. Midnight. Dr. Midnight, can I get a shot? Can I get a shot on my butt? Oh, I'm scared. Ow! What's that? What's that? 아빠 무서워 너 때문에. Doesn't he remind you of Seoul? Seoul is screaming.
A little bit.
Sky. Okay, what is that? Yeah, I looked up on Google and it says that's the Venus. We'll see Venus for like 2.5 months. Whoa, what happened? Okay, that hurts my eyes. I'm asleep. I'm gonna sleep more. But I was cleaning the bathroom or freaking, because it was a big mess. It was really bad. Why envy? Now I know my ABC. ABC 여기 있잖아. I don't like this, you guys. I got a new one because the other one has like this thing stain on it and I couldn't remove it. The one was E Q R S T U V. Midnight. Mommy. Midnight. Hi. You can do it. Midnight, push. You can do it. Yeah. Push yourself. Push yourself. What are you doing with the diaper bag? Oh, the twinkle little star? Okay.
I don't think.
Mopo, your brother just wanna play with you. Produced by Michael Bay. Typical